Like a lot of family businesses, as I mentioned, this business was started 40 years ago by my parents, and it was fortunate enough to grow. It was one of those businesses that actually succeeded in taking that transition between one generation and the next. What happens after us, and when is the opportune time for an exit strategy, just like any other business. Kevin and Bob, I think, were invaluable. He came in, we talked, he analyzed the numbers that we had, and he gave us the truth, is that right now at that point, we were not going to get the most value out of the business. And we began the process with Kevin's help of really preparing the business for sale. Kevin was trying to answer every question that a potential buyer is going to be looking for. It was right before the end of the year, and by the time we came back, I think there was somewhere in the order of 15 NDAs within the first couple of weeks of the year.
It kind of met my criteria. It was in the size that I could close it without having to do more exotic financing, and it was a healthy, steady business.
It took pretty much exactly 6 months. If we consider January 1 of the year as D-Day, then June 1st was really the close of everything.
This diligence process went more smoothly, mainly because when we asked Kevin for information, we got it almost immediately, and it was accurate and it was detailed. And if we didn't get exactly what we needed, we would go back to Kevin and he would come back and give us exactly what we asked for.
There comes a time where everybody moves on, but the most important thing is that the business could live on.
We've been in the business almost 3 months. So far, it's good. Business is healthy. The cost structures that we thought we were stepping into are there, and there was no surprises. So far, so good.
The analysis that we did and the filtering that Kevin helped us do as far as selecting the right candidate, I think really proved out, because we have been working together for 3 months already. We're very, very confident that when the day comes that we'll be leaving the facilities altogether, that the company's still going to be in very good hands.
I would definitely recommend Kevin to help sell a company. He did a good job of preparing his client to accept the terms of a deal that could be closed. So I think he did great there, and that's why the transaction went so well.
You usually do not sell a family business more than once or twice in a lifetime, but having somebody who has that experience, who deals with it day in and day out, is invaluable if you're going to undertake this whole process.